Hi everyone, welcome to grade 1 math. So every day there's going to be a short video like this with me in it, and I'm going to give you some new information and we're going to talk about something, and there'll be a little activity, there'll be a task at the end, something to learn, okay? Now we are talking about math. I'm not sure how much you remember from kindergarten. So math is a short form of a long word called mathematics. And mathematics is when we are studying or looking at how much of something there is, the quantity, how much. Maybe we're looking at shapes. We're looking at how things interact together. There's lots of things that fall under math. We have probability, fractions, adding, subtracting, coding, money. There's lots of different things we're going to study when we're looking at math this year. But today, right now, we're going to talk about numbers. Now, do you know what a number is? What do you think? What's a number? Can you tell me one? I wonder if you can shout one out. I'm going to show you some things, and I want you to tell me if it's a number or if it's not a number. You ready? I'm going to start right away. What about this? The number? Yes, it's a number 1. Is this a number? Nope, that's the word cat. We could say there's 3 letters. We can use numbers everywhere, but this is a word, cat. Is this a number? Nope, it's a shape. It's a hexagon. It has 6 sides, but this is a shape. Is this a number? It's a number 2. It's on an apple. That's not a number. What a tricky one. Is this a number? So it actually says 4. So this is the word for the number 4. Is this a number? Oh, I'm trying to trick you. It's a die. This thing is actually a die. But those 4 dots are meant to represent, to me, the number 4. If I roll this and it comes up, I know that's the number 4. That's what it means. Is this a number? 99 is a number. Is this a number? No, this is a cube, a Rubik's Cube. We can look at the numbers in it. There's 4 squares on each side, and together it's a cube that has 6 faces, but it's a cube. What about this? Is this a number? So it's a clock, but it has to have numbers on it, because we do use numbers to tell time. Time is another part of mathematics. Is this a number? Yes, that's 10. Is this a number? It's representing the number 4 again. This is actually a 10 frame, and we have 4 dots. So it means 4, but this is 4 dots. Well, I'm gonna keep going and see. What do you think? Is this a number? Does anyone know? This is the number 4 written in Mandarin or in Cantonese and Chinese. So it is a number, but it's not a number we use in English necessarily. It's written in a different language. Is this a number? No, it's a heart. Number? Yes, what number is it? That's 6. This 100's a number. Is this a number? Ooh. The number on it is 1,000, and this is money from a different country. It has numbers on it, but it's actually money. Last one, is this a number? No, it's an egg. So today's job, and I'm going to show you how you do it. I want you just to think about all of the numbers you know, and I want you to write them all out. And you can do it pretty with pictures, with colors. You can draw things to match them. But I just want you today to start thinking, for the first day for grade 1 math, what are numbers? What numbers do I know? And what can I write? And I'm also going to put some songs and rhymes in a link if you want to look at them. And if you don't get to them today, that's fine. We will look at them tomorrow. So let's look and see, how do we write numbers?
Now let's write some numbers. So I'm using my whiteboard and whiteboard markers. You could use a notebook, you could use paper, whatever you'd like. And I'm just gonna write some of the numbers I know. So I'm gonna start with numbers I know. I know 1, I know 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forget what comes after 4. Maybe I'll check somewhere. Let me look at my number line quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 looks like this number here. 5. I know some big numbers too. I know 100. I know 22. I know 0. I know know, 7, 8, 20, 12. I want you to write as many numbers as you can. You could use different colors. I'll make my 12 different colors. I also know 13. I know 44. Maybe you want to get creative and use some big blocks. So I've made a bubble numbers here. You could do lots of things. You could do your numbers with dots. There's a 4, well, a 41 with dots. Or I said you could use different, you could creative. You can even do a squiggly line if you want today. I really just want you to show me all the numbers you can think of. And if you fill up your whole page, that's totally cool as well. Enjoy your math.